Hey guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to enable the Family Center in Discord. So open up your Discord, go down to user settings and go here, Family Center. Now what does this do? Well, pretty much it enables your parents to watch over your, private things, I guess. Well, in summary, they pretty much can see recently added friends, their names and avatars, servers you joined, how many people there are, names and icons, and they can see the names of people you directly messaged, their avatars, and times at which you made calls with them or messaged them. Now, this app also tries to respect your privacy as a teen, so your parents will not be able to see the messages you sent, or the calls you've participated in. Now, what you can do is you can click here, get started, and it pretty much tells everything here. They need a QR code. You need to show them your QR code, or your team needs to show you a QR code. Then you can scan the QR code with your Discord app on your mobile phone, and you need for your team to accept this request. After everything is done, you can see connected teams. Right now it's 0 out of 8 because I'm not controlling anybody yet. And if you're controlling anyone, you will see it right here. What this app will do is pretty much every week, I think, it will send you a summary of pretty much what your teen has been doing. Right here, you can turn this on if you want. It will pretty much have your Family Center tab where you can pair up with your family members. Receive activity summary emails. I recommend you have this on because, it sends you a weekly email summarizing your teen's recent activities, like who he has talked to, their names, what server he has joined, what activity he has participated in. But of course, again, it will not show you the details of the messages. So if he said hello to somebody, you will not be able to see that he said hello. You will only be able to see that he has messaged that person. Anyhow, guys, I hope this was not too hard for you. If it was not, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.